What did the kids do at EP? What did they do?
The people at BP? Tell me what they did.
They spilled the oil cup with the oil in it, and they spilled it in the ocean.
They did.
Why did they?
Well, they didn't do it on purpose, but they weren't being very careful.
Oh, why did they get?
And it was a very naughty thing to do.
Why did they get the oil in the ocean?
Why did they do it? Well, it was an accident.
Why did they do it?
It spilled. It leaked from a pipe.
Oh, what kind of pipe?
One under the water in the ocean.
Oh, in the ocean.
Yeah, and it made the ocean dirty.
Oh, the ocean dirty.
Yeah.
Is it oil ocean?
The oil was in the ocean and made the ocean dirty. So we don't go to BP.
Oh, you can't go in the ocean and eat pee.
What?
We can't go in the ocean and eat pee.
Can't go in the ocean at BP? Right.
Oh.